Hello everyone, and here I have two of my dog's squeaky balls, and I want you to imagine that the squeaks are actually wheezing in your child's lungs, and the object is to show you exactly how to spot different types of wheeze so that you can report it to your doctor or nurse. Now have a listen to each of these balls and notice when the wheezing occurs. So, have you spotted the difference? In the red ball, the wheezing occurs when the ball breathes out. And with the green ball, the wheezing occurs when the ball is breathing in. Now, typically in children with asthma, you usually get a wheeze on the way out, but it can occur both when you breathe in or out. But these are all signs for the doctor or nurse in terms of whether the wheeze is asthma or whether it might be because of any number of reasons that children wheeze. And another good tip is actually to video your child wheezing and be able to show it to the doctor or nurse, because asthma is a reversible condition, which means that they may be wheezing at night or after exercise or something like that, but when they get to the doctor's surgery they're all fine and well. So it's always really helpful to take a little video and show it when you get into the consultation. Hope that helps. Do get in touch and let me know what you think of this video. Please feel free to share it. And also, if you want to learn more about sharing asthma knowledge with the community in fun ways, then I can share a link with you to access the course.